Have you ever looked at your Instagram's insights and wonder what they all mean? Well, I'm going to break it all down for you here, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is leseynt from leseynt.com. I am a social media manager and content creator for small businesses, and I love making videos for you guys, sharing with you tips, tricks and tutorials on how you can boost your Instagram game. So if this is the type of content that you're into, then consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos once it goes live. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button because it will really help out my channel. But without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So guys, stay to the end because I'm going to share with you a couple of tips or analytics that I look out for when growing an Instagram account. First things first, in order to access your analytics, you have to be a business account. So if you have a personal account, make sure you switch it over to a business account and link it to a Facebook page. I'm going to guide you through my insights and break it down, and I'm not gonna lie, I have neglected this particular account. I've been so busy posting for clients, and I've sort of took a step back with this one, but I'm hoping to give it more love very soon. As you know, the Instagram app updates all the time. So I'm gonna show you a step-by-step on how you can access your insights, but I guess it depends where you are in the world. Like, it may have not updated on your side of the world, but I'll show you what it looks like on my screen. You can see here on the right hand corner, click on that, and below your username tag is insights. So like I said before, it might look different wherever you are in the world, but Instagram has updated here where I am in Australia, Melbourne, Australia. So the first part I want to go through is, as you can see, there's 3 tabs. So you've got activity, content and audience. So let's just go through the activity section first. So on this page, it's giving you stats on a period of time. So for me, it is from the 24th to the 30th of August. And if you have a look down, you can see interactions, and then it will show you the profile visits and website clicks. So profile visits are the number of people that has visited your account, and website clicks is the number of clicks basically on your website. So if you have a look on your bio, you might have a link there, so it just shows how many times it has been clicked on. And then scrolling down, you can see discovery as well, discovery for your account as a whole for that period. So here I've got 24th of August to the 30th of August, and you can see here you've got the days of the week, and then you've got reach and you've got your impressions. So you must be thinking, what is reach and what is impressions? And reach relates to the number of views that your post gets. So let me give you an example. So say if a follower has been going onto your account to view your posts, and they've actually gone in to view it, say 5 times, but Instagram is only going to count it as 1 reach because the content has only reached 1 unique viewer. On the other hand, we have impressions, and impressions are how many times your photo has been viewed. So for example, if you've posted something and I went into your profile and viewed it 10 times, then Instagram's going to count that as 10 impressions. Say for example, you posted a photo and I saw it on the explore page, and then later during the day I might like the photo so much that I'll view it another 3 times. So then in total I've seen your photos 4 times, therefore that's 4 impressions. So basically what it is the amount of eyeballs that has seen your post or your content. The next section I want to cover is content, and mine is quite bare right now because I haven't posted anything in a while. And we have here, we've got posts, stories and promotions. I'll probably leave promotions out because I haven't paid for any ads. And let's just go to post, and when you click on see all, you can see here it has been arranged from, you know, the past year and sorted by engagement. So when you click on the top, you can play around with the filters, and let's just go to all for now, and you can see how many comments you had in the last year, say, apply that, and then you can have a look to see who's commented. You can have a look to see the number of comments you had on, you know, your photos, particular photos, and it's been arranged from your highest to lowest. And then you can play around with it as well, like you can see what your engagement is like, your followers, your impressions, and your reach as well. And you can filter that, and you can have a look to see which photos has the most reach. That's that. And then we go down to stories. I'll quickly go through this. Similar to content, let's go down to stories, which is similar to post, and you can filter from impressions, reach. You can also filter to see how many people who has forwarded your stories and who's clicked back or who's exited and who's replied to it, which is quite interesting because, you know, you can see here I've got, you know, people clicking back. So obviously food, really interested people, and when I'm out and about in Melbourne, people are interested in that and people will click back to view it again. Third section is audience, and you can see where your followers are from. So you can have a look at what cities they're from. So for me, like Sydney and London, they are predominantly from there. And then if you click on countries, you can see that most of my followers are from the United States and Italy, surprisingly. And if you scroll down, you can see age range, and a lot of mine are from 25 to 34 years of age. And you can have a look to see, you know, how many males or female and what their ages are, and then a breakdown of the gender. So I've got 53% of men are following me and 47% are women. And then when you scroll to the bottom, you can see followers, and for me, a lot of people are online from 12 AM or even 9 PM. And then you can even click on days, and then you can see what days they are on predominantly. So for me, it's Tuesday, as you can see, because it's a darker blue. Now I am jumping into one of my individual posts, and you can see here on the left bottom corner, it says view insights. So if you click on there, you can actually see the number of people that visited your profile, and, you know, the number of people you've reached. And if you swipe up as well, obviously you can see the comments and likes and how many people save your photo. But if you swipe up, you can see here like the number of followers gained from your post. So I've got here 1, and the number of reach. And so the impressions are divided into 4 parts, and the first one is from home, from profile, from hashtags. So like depending on what hashtag you're using, your you know, like people seeing your post because you're using a particular hashtag. And the last one is other, so that tallies up to, for in my case, 2,503 impressions. And if you are watching till the end, you are wondering what analytics you should look out for or look at in detail. So the first one is the hashtag matrix. The number itself is a good indication as to whether your hashtag strategy is working, your content is being discovered, whether people are following the hashtag or people are searching it in the explore page. Make sure to play around with different hashtags and see which one works better for you. Another metric you should be looking at is peak times, and I'm sure that for many of you, you probably have seen this and have used this. And basically posting when people are on, you know, like when your followers are online. And same goes if you are not posting every single day and you only post say 3 times a day, then have a look on the days when people are on the most. So for me, it's on a Tuesday. Lastly, look at your content. So go into your content section and see all of your posts and then arrange it by impressions. So I personally prefer to arrange it by impressions because it's the number of times, you know, your post has been viewed by a follower or someone, and that's what I'm going to do here. And then by arranging it like this, you can actually see a pattern in what content is more favorable. And just by looking at what I've got here, I can see that a lot of people like posts with me in it. So, you know, maybe going forward, it's probably best if I post more photos on myself, because it seems like it's, you know, people are going back to see, like people are going back to look at it. Yeah, it's either landscape or photos of me or someone in it, and I can see that people prefer this, so I'll curate content similar to this. You can look at engagement as well, but I prefer impressions. And let me know in the comment section which is your favorite metric. And I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you have any questions for me, feel free to put it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video.